Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, sagot tayo ng isang random math problem coming from geometry. And given yung figure natin on the board as shown. Pero before that, shoutout muna kay John Michael Regoman from Carmen National High School, kay future engineer May Alimodian, kay Clint Perez, tsaka kay John Dave Cabigaw. And maraming salamat sa mga Lodi Cakes natin na patuloy na sumusuporta sa channel ni Sir IJ. So, ang problem natin dito is solve for the value of x given that these two are equal. Ito yung x natin. So, basically, this is also x, this is x. And ito, perpendicular sila. 8 and 6 yung length ng segments natin. So, Sir IJ, paano po ba tayo magsisimula when it comes to solving that kind of geometry problem? So, ang gawin nyo, since x to, labelan nyo na rin to ng x, tsaka ng x. Diba guys? Sana all may label. Hindi, joke lang. Charot lang mga Lodi Cakes. So, anong gagawin natin dyan sa IJ? Since ito x tsaka x, so ang pinaka-best na gawin natin dito is we will try to connect this one up to this point. So, ang gagawin ni Sir IJ, gawa tayo ng hidden line dito mga Lodi Cakes. Connect natin to. At the same time, connect natin to. So, ano na mangyari dyan, Sir IJ? So, kung mapapansin natin mga Lodi Cakes, if this is x, and this is also a right triangle or right angled, automatically we will form two isosceles right triangles. Bakit siya isosceles? Kasi ito equal tsaka equal, tapos ito yung magiging hypotenuse natin. Kapag naalala natin yung property, so for the solution part, if we recall the property of an isosceles right triangle, so the two sides, the legs, let's say these are all equivalent to x. So let's say this is x. So, the hypotenuse is just square root of 2 multiplied by any length of a leg of the given right triangle. So, if this is x, this is x, this is also x, square root of 2. Also, this one is also x, square root of 2. So, ano lang next natin gagawin, Sir IJ? So, kung isosceles right triangle to, agree po ba kayo mga Lodi Cakes that this is 45 degrees? And also, this is 45 degrees. Kasi 90 degrees to, ito ay equal parehas. So, ano nang gagawin natin? 45 to, 45 to. So, 45 plus 45, that is 90. Kung 90 degrees to, let's say, i-assume natin that this is theta, mga Lodi Cakes. This is 90 minus theta. Okay? Theta and 90 minus theta. Guys, tama ba? Kasi 45 plus 45, that is 90 degrees. So, theta, 90 minus theta. So, this is right angle. So, right triangle yung ilalim natin. So, this is theta now. Kasi 90 minus theta to. So, this is theta. If this is theta, this is now 90 minus theta. So, what do we do next, Sir IJ? So, kung mapapansin natin, ito equal dito. And also, the angles are the same. Theta 90 minus theta. Right triangle 90. Theta 90 minus theta. And this is 90. So, what do we conclude from there? So, we can conclude that these two triangles are congruent. Kasi nga, parehas yung angles natin, at the same time, parehas yung length of side natin, especially the hypotenuse x square root of 2. So, that means na ano katapat ng theta dito? 6. If this is theta, ang katapat nito ay 6. Ito ay 6 mga Lodi Cakes. Ito 90 minus theta, katapat niya 8, di ba? So, ito 90 minus theta, magiging katapat niya ay 8. So, sana nalaman, na-refresh kayo sa concept na yon, na kapag pare-parehas yung angles natin sa loob, tapos meron tayong isang congruent side, automatically congruent na yung triangles natin. So, corresponding sides are congruent na rin. Are congruent, I mean. So, ano nang gagawin natin dyan, Sir IJ? So, considering this right triangle here, so we can use Pythagorean theorem. We have 6 squared plus 8 squared. So, this is the triangle. Let's say this is triangle A. So, we have equals x square root of 2 quantity squared. So, alam natin na ang 6 squared is 36 plus 64 equals x squared. So, that is x squared na. Square root of 2, kapag in-square natin, that is 2x squared. So, we have 100 equals 2x squared. And we have x squared is equal to 50. And getting the square root and considering the positive length, so, square root of 50 will be equal to 5 square root of 2 units. So, ito na yung magiging value ni x, mga Lodi Cakes, which is this one. Okay? Kasi nga, kinonsider lang natin yung property ng 45 and the property of congruent triangles. So, if ever may questions kayo or clarifications during our computational process, please do let me know para at least maklarify natin as soon as possible. And thank you so much to those who keep on supporting our channel. I hope you all the best. More power sa inyo mga Lodi Cakes. All is well. Bye-bye and God bless.